hopeless. I ain't gambling if we shuffling cards, I be leaving with clean poker chips. Niggas 40 some more years talking about coca flipping. Remember Juice telling me he looked at 40 with bullets, body lying emotionless. That vision hurt me, my separation, the opiates. Hope I keep my seat out the scene, trauma, the posthumous, stressing, dean inappropriate. I gotta tell him about days of trafficking when my freedom follow felonious. Daddy did it, my nigga won't have to go through it. Had to bite the bullet when niggas had burglarized my crib. Just from the slippage, I had to soak in it. Think I know who did it, but God forbidden me catch a murder charges, just call your connect. Front of me, I took my L and got it back, he collected his portion. Should've happened, it's a testament to the dealers. Had the referee to clear path or hand him a tech. That should've happened to the best of them. Rest of them is wrestling with pounds, knees buckling, gotta pressure them. I give you my truth in the battlefield, niggas show me no loyalty, thinking less of them. Gotta teach a valuable lesson, you gotta come with a strategy on the battlefield. Think beyond using weapons, surrendering in the battle could actually win the war. When you double back, niggas think you defeated, you took a breath again. Shit, the Lord is my shepherd. I had to give you that energy, the times is looking so decadent. The rotten apple of pestilence, vaccine, medicine, GMO, I'm about to start hunting for dead meat, cooked venison. There he go, giving them wisdom, it's pouring out of his neck again. Missed my opportunity, but I captured, I pick up this mic and feel like I'm 10 again. Plenty niggas fell victim to homicide, I'm never seeing some friends again. Felt them when the wind was blowing, 40 days, 40 nights. See the soul start to linger on earth, waiting and witnessing God regiment. Examining who does the Lord suit. No settlement for us, shit is looking like it's embezzlement. For the bezel, they manage the giants to go nowhere. The leaders be looking like Dave Gettleman. Gentlemen turn to killers, manipulated by niggas that's taught by the system. They get used to incarceration and settle in. That should've happened to the best of them. Rest of them is wrestling with pounds, these buckling, gotta pressure them. I give you my truth in the battlefield, niggas show me no loyalty, thinking less of them. Gotta teach a valuable lesson, you gotta come with a strategy in the battlefield. Think beyond using weapons, surrendering in the battle could actually win the war. When you double back, niggas think you defeated, you took a breath again. Shit, the Lord is my shepherd.